Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back to my channel. We are currently at the nature reserve and we're about to spend the day here, have some chilled vibes, drinks, have some snacks, have some fun, right? Yes.
I'm feeling.
You feeling sleepy?
No.
Yes, so enjoy this day with us and I do hope that you enjoy this vlog. Bye.
If I wrote you a symphony just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do?
On the ball because that ball was like, you know, those not slippery, but you know those balls that could, like, even if you do it, it would slide, you know? Yeah, something like that. Then I fell, but I felt like this, and then my whole body like this, my arm, and then it was so like okay, I started crying, you know? I'm like, bro, it hurts, you know, I'm crying. And then he's trying to put him up, and isn't it too?
Last year.
No, it was this year. It was in the middle of this year. He was still there. And then he was putting me up. But to pull me up, you know, just pull me up. I have to do this, you know. And then I do this. And literally when I do this, my hand would like, and it hurts. It's like, I stand up. I'm like, bro, it hurts. They let go. Then I stood up myself, you know, with my right hand. And then I woke. I was gonna walk on. I was like, but I'm not going.
What did you find? Little butterfly. Oh.
Have the water.
Hmm?
The place of the water.
Are you tired?
Oh, I can open for me.
Are you enjoying yourself? Having a good time? Hey, why are you eating my chips?
Because Mom said it's for all of us, not you.
No, I'm the oldest here. I decide who eats the chips.
Oh no, I'm the oldest. Huh? Come here. Let me know.
No, I'm not happy with what you're doing. Stop pretending like you're older than me. You're not older than me. I'm older than you. Those are my chips.
These are my chips.
I'm taking them.
No,
I'm taking them.
mine.
Ugh, I'm gonna tell Mom that you don't want to listen.
But you, I'm not sure. I'm gonna have Mom. Yeah, she doesn't want to share the chips. Share. Yay.
Okay, sharing is caring. Fine.
Nom.
Oh. The other way was so nice. That's why I'm going because I haven't been here.
Can't remember the last time I hiked, but I'm loving. Did you hear that? Did you hear that?
That's exactly what we were hearing.
Nah, I don't know if that's like the Jumanji one. No, isn't the guy hitting those?
No, it's like a.
Oh,
We were up there, we were here. Like
that's Jumanji. Was like, but what's going on? Alright.
Goldmine tour is twice a month. If you're interested in the Goldmine, this is part of the Goldmine tour. So we have on the first Sunday of the month and the third Sunday, from 2 to 4, there's a Goldmine tour.
Oh,
That
okay.
includes this, but you go into the mine as well. So it's,
Oh,
you've got a
okay.
website, it's kloofendalfriends.org.
Okay.
Kloofendal Friends.
Okay. All right. Thank you so much. Yes, thank you. We are finally exiting the Kloofendal Nature Reserve. We are going home. Super duper tired, but we had a good day. It was a very nice picnic. We went on a hike, as I said, and we'll definitely come back here. So I'm thinking that it's better to come early in the morning for the hike, and then maybe for the rest of the day do the picnic. So we arrived here around 2. So yeah, that was good. Let's go home.
Long are they?
How was the trip?
It was
I mean, how was the, what do you call it?
hike.
What do you call, what? What did you think of the outing?
Yeah?
The outing?
It was good. It was a good outing, you know.
Perfect.
Some light, nothing too crazy.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man.
Would you do it again?
Yeah. Probably when it's like in the morning or less sun, because I know when I get home I'd probably smell like sun and look way more darker than this. So yeah.
Okay. If you come in the morning, I'm assuming you'll look lighter than me.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay,
The
cool.
morning is the way, but like yeah, it was a nice outing.
Okay, so let's go home.
Drink some water.
Drink some water. That's something that you need to remember. When you're hiking, bring some water.
Exactly.
Yeah. Can you imagine these two? They decided to go
But we
on a hiking trail by
Crazy.
themselves. I didn't even know about it. Now these boys are going for hours and hours. I'm sure about my 3 hours gone.
it wasn't 3 hours. It was like 30 minutes.
They're gone. And they're on a hiking trail. They're all bushes by
Ew.
themselves.
That was me.
Then they tell me that there's this guy who had a whole shank
No, I said.
following them.
Hey, okay.
And I'm like, yeah, that's what you get
I said-
for not reporting.
I said I thought the person had a shank chasing us. I was like, what if? Because they were walking fast. That's what I said.
Yeah, while the girls were sitting cute and playing by the grass, the boys are by the woods fighting shankers out here.
We're still here. I survived.
Yeah, it's part of surviving.
Yeah, man. You know.
Okay,
Bro, end the video, bro.
bye.
Bye-bye.
Good morning, guys. Today we are going to church. I feel absolutely great about that. Funniest thing is I haven't been to church since 2020. Yeah, I know. Since 2020, I think it was because of this whole corona situation that happened. But I think for me, you know, when you watch TV and you see like certain churches doing some weird things, you kind of like, churches, not all churches obviously, but some churches are just becoming dodgy. And I feel more comfortable at home talking to my God myself. So yeah, so last week I was just like, we need to start going to church again. So yeah, so today is that day, and hopefully next Sunday and the following Sunday and the following Sunday. I just had a random thought that I've never had, like, you know, I've had like challenges in my life, but I've never had a moment where I was like angry at God for like anything. You know, I've never been like, oh God, why is this happening to me? Or da 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 da, you know, it's crazy because I've never been so angry at God to a point where I'm like asking him those type of questions, you know. for me, it's like, God, can you deposit like 5 million in my accounts? My G, come on, like do things. You know, those are the type of conversations that I have when I'm like mad about something, or yeah, like dissatisfied about a lot of things. I tend to like just be quiet and not even, I can talk to God, but it would never be like a blaming situation on his end, you know. I think that's why me and God are like, you know, we like, I see him as my bestie, that man. Okay, let me not say that man, because the G is my G. So yeah, I've never had such a weird encounter with God. I think maybe I've never had something so deep in my life for me to be like, God, why me? You know, or maybe I have. It's just that I kind of know how to channel my thoughts and how to just breathe in and breathe out and just trust that he is doing the work of the Lord in the background, you know. So yeah, let me just show you my outfits. I don't think you'll be able to see. Wearing this cute dress. The lighting is appalling, honey. Wearing this dress and wearing these heels. And I'm taking my regular black bag. So yeah, just trying to sort out my hair because the ones at the back just don't want to be tied up. But yeah, guys, I really hope that you have a wonderful Sunday, and I hope that you are still enjoying the vlog. If so, make sure you like, you comment, do the usual. So yeah, let us go to church. Let me just do my face and then I'll show you the last and final look. This is the final look.